Today's gentle Tai Chi practice is designed to help reduce belly fat and support a healthier, more youthful-feeling body. As you move through this session, you'll be taking another positive step toward greater energy, better mobility, and a healthier future. Follow along with me now, and let's begin your practice. Exercise 1. Rising Wave Flow. 3, 2, 1, start. Extend your arms forward at shoulder height with relaxed shoulders. Lift the hands smoothly upward in a gentle wave-like motion. Then draw the elbows back toward the chest, as if gathering energy. Keep the movement slow and continuous, coordinating each phase with calm, natural breathing. Exercise 2. Open Wing Balance. 3, 2, 1, join me. Begin with your hands together in front of the chest and your feet close together. Open the arms wide to each side as you step outward into a stable stance. Continue expanding through the chest and shoulders while keeping the body tall and relaxed, creating a smooth movement that encourages balance and coordination. Exercise 3. Sky Reach March. 3, 2, 1, begin. Stand tall with your feet together and arms relaxed at your sides. Lift one knee while reaching the opposite arm upward in a smooth marching motion. Extend through the fingertips, then return with control before repeating on the other side. Keep the core engaged and move with a steady, comfortable rhythm. Exercise 4. Diagonal Reach Flow. 3, 2, 1, let's begin. Step into a wider stance and let the hands sweep gently across the body. Shift your weight to one side as the arms travel upward in a diagonal arc, reaching toward the sky. Keep the movement light and fluid, allowing the whole body to stretch and lengthen while maintaining steady balance and relaxed breathing. Exercise 5. Warrior Guard Squat. 3, 2, 1, join me. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Raise one arm beside the head while the other hand stays near the waist. Then lower into a controlled squat as the upper arm remains lifted and the opposite hand moves behind the body. Maintain a strong posture and flow smoothly through the movement with steady breathing. Exercise 6, Forward Fold Sweep. 3, 2, 1, follow along. Stand tall with your feet comfortably apart and your elbows lifted softly in front of the body. Slowly hinge forward from the hips, allowing the hands to drift downward toward the floor. Continue the motion by extending the arms forward in a gentle sweeping reach, keeping the neck relaxed and the movement smooth from start to finish. Exercise 7, Skyward Walking Reach. 3, 2, 1, move with me. Begin standing tall with your arms relaxed at your sides. Step forward smoothly as one arm swings upward in a long reaching motion while the opposite arm moves naturally behind the body. Continue walking with control, extending through the fingertips and maintaining an upright posture as you alternate sides in a steady, flowing rhythm. Exercise 8, Sunrise Chest Opener. 3, 2, 1, let's do it together. Start by hinging forward slightly with your arms extended ahead of you. Sweep the arms upward and outward in a broad arc as you gradually lift the chest and straighten the spine. Finish with the shoulders open and arms wide, creating a smooth, expanding motion that feels light, relaxed, and flowing. Exercise 9, Wide Stance Power Squat. 3, 2, 1, let's move together. Reach both arms overhead as you step into a wide stance. Open the arms smoothly to shoulder level while lowering into a controlled squat. Continue sinking a little deeper as the hands move behind the hips, keeping the chest lifted and the knees aligned over the feet. Move steadily and maintain a strong, grounded posture. Exercise 10. Upward Reach Walk. 3, 2, 1. Join me. Stand tall with your arms relaxed at your sides. Step forward smoothly as both arms sweep upward overhead, lifting through the chest and lengthening the body from fingertips to toes. Continue the motion with a gentle forward stride, maintaining an upright posture and a light, flowing rhythm throughout the movement. Exercise 11. Turning Sky Reach. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Begin standing tall with your feet comfortably apart. Rotate your torso gently to one side as one arm sweeps across the body. Continue the turn while extending the opposite arm upward and allowing the other arm to reach behind you. Move with control and fluidity, letting the shoulders and upper body follow the natural rotation. You completed another meaningful step for your health today. Every session is an opportunity to move more comfortably, feel stronger, and support a healthier body over time. Keep showing up for yourself, and remember that small daily efforts can lead to lasting changes. Great work, and I'll see you in the next practice.